Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 14. Question number 14 says, which of the following statement is true of a debenture? In other words, it simply means what is a debenture? That is what the question is simply asking. A. Its holders receive interest. B. It forms part of company's authorized capital. C. Its holders are co-owners of the company. D. Its holders control the company. The correct option here is option A. Its holders receive interest. When you are a debenture holder of a company, you are to receive interest or a certain percentage from the company profit. Traditionally, a debenture is a bond acknowledgement or agreement. Acknowledge a fixing rate of interest of particular company. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.